How does the habitability of planets change over time? It's possible that oceans of water once covered our mysterious sister planet Venus. But the Venus of today has a different face, one that is unbearably hot and hostile. The answers to how a planet changed from an oceanic state to the inhospitable state it is in today are hiding in its massive atmosphere. And somewhere in that atmosphere, specifically below the clouds, is a chemical lab just waiting to be found. Connections to oceans, possibly recent volcanic eruptions, or even the past billion years of a planet that was once habitable like Earth. When we put Venus into its context, those volcanoes and rock formations are hidden from our view, but are still waiting for us to return. The first step in understanding how the evolution of habitability may take place on billions of planets outside of our solar system is to comprehend Venus' extraordinary chemistry. The Leonardo da Vinci-inspired Davinci mission, which will launch in 2029, is intended to answer important queries about the formation, evolution, and composition of Venus. Da Vinci will examine the cloud tops in ultraviolet light throughout 2 gravity-assist flybys, analyzing the signatures of mysterious chemicals that absorb ultraviolet light and monitoring the evolution of cloud patterns over time. Both flybys will investigate the heat coming from Venus' surface on its night side. To create a global picture of surface composition and the development of the planet's ancient highlands, we will search for geological hints about the planet's mysterious past. Da Vinci will release its atmospheric descent probe following a 7-month flyby. Over the course of 2 days, the spacecraft will observe its probe enter Venus' atmosphere. The probe will descend to the surface after falling through the atmosphere for about an hour while collecting data and taking pictures. Profiles of composition, winds, temperature, pressure, and acceleration are some of the measurements that are made. It will measure important gases to better understand Venus formation and evolution. Some of these measurements might exhibit chemical traces of prehistoric water. Davinci's measurements will offer fresh perspectives on Venus's atmospheres, complex composition, structure, and chemistry. The probe's descent camera will take breathtaking aerial photographs of the mysterious Alpha Regio Tessera as it approaches the surface. These images may reveal signs of past water flow in the rocks. These up-close views of the surface will shed new light on geologic processes and help in our comprehension of what it might be like to walk on Venus. The oxygen sensing student collaboration experiment will clarify how this gas functions in the atmosphere of Venus. Whether Venus was actually habitable will be revealed by the findings from this diverse data set. And the lessons learned from Venus will be applicable to analogous exoplanets that will be observed by the James Webb Space Telescope outside of our solar system. Venus is ready to welcome us all, and Da Vinci is prepared to lead the way and spark a brand new Venus renaissance.
Subscribe now for astronomy, cosmology and science updates.